Hi everyone, this is YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese Cooking. How's your winter holidays? After Christmas, New Year's will be here in no time. So today I will show you how to make Ozoni, a soup dish with mochi rice cake, which is eaten in Japan in New Year's. There are two types of Ozoni: Kanto-style, let's say Tokyo-style, and Kansai-style, let's say Kyoto-style. Tokyo-style has a soy sauce-based soup with chicken, and Kyoto-style has a white miso-based soup, and both soup has mochi rice cakes. So this time I introduce Tokyo-style Ozoni. And during this video, my family, Mario and Luigi, will be joining as our helpers. Are you ready, everyone? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Ozoni, Japanese New Year soup with mochi, is ready. So let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. It is really a good looking dish. It makes me feel cheerful, like New Year's. And I always eat mochi first. It's just grilled, so very crunchy. The soup is so good. This simple taste of dashi and soy sauce based soup warms me up. The ingredients are all soaked in the flavor. And another key ingredient of Tokyo-style ozoni is a chicken. And I used chicken thigh to enjoy that rich flavor. And yuzu. After all, eating yuzu peel puts me in the mood of New Year's. ごちそうさまでした。Here are the recommendations and tips for today's recipe. Tip: start boiling the daikon radish and carrot with komatsuna, and they will be perfectly tender. Tip: I didn't use the sake this time, but if you want to add a deeper flavor, you can add a small amount of sake into the soup. And tip: I use a special grill to bake mochi today, but I also recommend to use toaster. In this case, be careful not to burn them. So how was this Japanese New Year's soup recipe video? I know you are Japanese food lovers, but did you know this ozoni? Have you ever eaten it? Please comment down below. If you are vegan and vegetarian, of course you can skip adding chicken. In this case, I recommend to add wheat gluten, ofu, or tofu, or you can just enjoy the mochi and other vegetables. Please tell me how you like it. I'm planning to make this ozoni this year. As always, your like button motivates me to create new informative videos. So please don't forget to hit the like button today as well. Okay everyone, thank you for watching. Have a great day and great weekend and wonderful next week. So we will see you next time. Bye bye!